Thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy this next video. Like us, share, subscribe to us on Facebook and social media.
Okay.
We're here with Kurt Carlson, and we're going to talk about this beautiful Cobra. Tell us a little bit about your car, Kurt, please.
Okay, this is what they call a continuation model. This is a Super Formance. It's made by Super Formance. It's a replica of a 65 SC Cobra 427. This particular car has got a Roush motor in it. It's a small block that's bored and stroked out to 427 cubic inches. It puts out 550 horsepower.
Wow.
It's a very, if you're not careful, it's a very scary car to drive. It goes very fast, very quickly.
What's the top speed that you've taken this car to?
I have had this car about 130 miles an hour on track.
Wow.
Not on the street, on the track.
Sure.
And I kind of ran out of track. It was going to go a lot more, but I was running out of track.
This is a beautiful car. Tell us a little bit about this custom paint.
Actually, this is a standard paint that you can get from Super Formance. This livery, though, I've got another car. I've got a GT40 that also has the same paint scheme as that. I did order a special, but and I've had this now going on 12 years, and since I've ordered it, it's kind of now a popular one. I see it popping up, this color scheme, more and more, but yeah, Super Formance does a very nice job on their cars. This is a fiberglass body. They do make an aluminum one, but it's a lot more money. And for me, the fiberglass was perfect. I want to be able to drive my cars. I don't want to worry about them, and that's what's nice about it.
Absolutely. What's your favorite thing about this car?
I like the noise it makes. It's a this sounds kind of like a NASCAR when you start it up, so it's a nice car. Definitely another one of my cars that the neighbors don't care for too much.
That's right. It's not for the neighbors, it's for you,
that's
right?
You got it. You got it.
Well, this is a beautiful car. Thank you so much for sharing this with us.
Okay.
Kurt, can you show us the engine? Can you tell us a little bit about what we're looking at?
This is a Roush 350. Well, actually, it's bored out to 427. It's a small block. Roush makes great engines. This one, I said, puts out about 550 horsepower, about 500 foot-pounds of torque. Very strong motor. It's a very happy motor. It's never stranded. This is the only car that's never stranded. No, I shouldn't have said that. It's never stranded me. Runs great. I really enjoy this one. It's very dependable.
And it's very beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you. What about these tires? Can you tell us a little bit about this?
These are actually different than what the car came with. The car actually came with a smaller set of tires. These are actually a little narrower, but they're actually taller. And when I first had the car, I just could not drive it on the street. It was all over the place. So we lowered the suspension about an inch and went with an 18-inch rim on it, little different rubber, and it's a lot easier to drive it now, so I have less problems. It's not as quote-unquote accurate as the original, but it's a lot easier to drive. So
Absolutely.
Safer.
Absolutely. I love the side exhaust as well.
Yeah, you have to be careful. You notice I didn't have these on when I first bought it, so I still have a couple of scars
Burn
from
marks?
getting
Sure.
out of it. Yeah. They call it snake bite. So.
Thank you so much, Kurt. Really appreciate you spending your Father's Day with us here.
No problem.
We'd like to show your car next, so please leave us a comment, subscribe, and like us.
US Classic Muscle Cars loves convertibles, and we're ready to take a ride. Stay tuned and watch our next video. Don't forget to share and like.